everyone, it's Delaney and I'm back with another art project. So last time we made gumball machines as a part 1 to our 100s Day project, and now we're going to revisit that. We're going to do the part 2 to that, and we're going to finish up our 100s Day project by drawing all the gumballs inside the machine, 100 of them. So in the end, your gumball machine might look something like this. 100 gumballs that you've drawn in. And so what you'll need is your project from last time. And remember, hopefully that interior was blank. And then you'll need some coloring supplies. It could be paint, crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you like. Just gather your materials and we'll get started. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is your project from last time, which is the gumball machine. And remember, this area here should be empty, and we're going to fill that in today's project. And so the other supplies you're going to need is some coloring supplies. And I have crayons here, but feel free to use paint, colored pencils, markers, whatever you have, just so long as you have 10 different colors like I have here. So you're going to need 10 different colors so that you can draw 10 gumballs of each color. So what we're going to do first, you're going to pick one color. I'm going to start with red, and I'm going to draw 10 gumballs in the center. It can be whatever style you like. It could be spread out, it could be all in one area, just so long as you count to 10. And then once you're done with the 10, we'll move on to counting them. Okay, now that we've drawn 10, let's count them just to be sure. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red gumballs, and so that brings our total gumball count to 10. So I'm going to set that color to the side, and I'm going to pick up another color, so in this case it's orange, and I'm going to draw another 10 inside the gumball machine. Okay, now that we're done with the next color, let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got our next 10, and adding that to the 10 that was already there, we've now got 20 gumballs all together. So again, we're going to set that color to the side, and we're going to grab our next color. For me, it'll be yellow, and we're going to draw another 10. Alright, so we're done with that color, so let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So adding 10 to the 20 we already had, that's 30, as you can see from the equation below. And so we're going to take our next color and draw another 10 gumballs. Okay, so that color is done, and let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another 10, so adding 10 to the 30 we already had, that's 40 gumballs. So we're going to set that color to the side, grab a new one, and draw another 10 gumballs. Okay, we're done with those, so let's count them. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's another 10 plus the 40, and that gives us 50 gumballs, so we're halfway to 100. And so we're going to set that color to the side, and we're going to take a new color, and again, draw 10 more gumballs. Okay, we're done with that color as well, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's another 10 added on, so 50 plus 10 is 60 total gumballs in our machine so far. So we're going to put that off to the side, take a new color, and draw 10 more. So once you've drawn those, we'll count them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the next color, and adding that to the 60 that we had previously, we now have 70 total gumballs. And now we're going to take a new color, and just like before, we're going to draw another 10 in the new color. All right, we're done with those, so let's count them again. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And so adding on that 10 to the 70 we already had, that gives us 80 total gumballs. And so we're going to set that color off to the side and take a new one and draw 10 more gumballs. All right, and now that we're done with those, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So adding that on to the 80, we now have 90 total gumballs. And so we're going to take our last color and we're going to draw the final 10 gumballs. Okay, and once you're done, we'll count one last time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so adding the 10 onto the 90 that we had previously, we now have 100 gumballs inside our gumball machine. And thus, your 100-day project is complete. All right, and we're done. So as you can see, this is how mine turned out. Yours might look a little different depending on how you decided to decorate the bottom or how you drew the gumballs on the inside, and that's okay. So I hope you had fun with this project and counting to 100 for 100 days of school. If you need to, go ahead and rewind the video if you need help with the counting to 100, or if you just need to rewatch steps. And be sure to go to the last video if you want to remake your gumball machine. So I'll see you next time with another project. Bye!